I'm running for the presidency because I believe the presidency has a purpose. That's why I'm asking for your support.
Candidates from both parties largely ditched the giant stadiums for small gymnasiums as they courted voters by reminding them of their electoral importance and their influence.
You don't realize this, but you are among the most powerful and influential people in our country today.
So what happens here in New Hampshire is enormously important.
With the specter of the president looming large over the Democratic field, talk of a life-altering choice was all the rage.
I've lost a lot in my lifetime, as you have. I lost a lot. But I tell you, I'll be damned if I'm going to stand by and lose this country to Donald Trump.
This is our moment to choose hope over fear.
We choose science over fiction. Unity over division.